What is near-death experience like? Some people develop NDEs due to accidents such as bleeding, accidents, falls from heights and severe illness. A near-death experience or NDE is a profound personal experience associated with death or impending death which researchers claim shares similar characteristics. When positive, such experiences may encompass a variety of sensations including detachment from the body, feelings of levitation, total serenity, security, warmth, the experience of absolute dissolution, and the presence of a light. When negative, such experiences may include sensations of anguish and distress. Common traits that have been reported by NDErs are as follows: a sense, awareness of being dead. A sense of peace, well-being and painlessness. Positive emotions. A sense of removal from the world. People who have had a horrible near-death experience say that this horror was the result of their bad deeds and God did not oppress them. And those who had a peace near-death experience say that all this beauty and peace is all the grace of God was. An out-of-body experience. A perception of one's body from an outside position, sometimes observing medical professionals performing resuscitation efforts. And some others hear what the doctor was thinking in another room and in his mind. Or some others been aware of future events. A tunnel experience, or entering a darkness. A sense of moving up, or through, a passageway or staircase. A rapid movement toward and/or sudden immersion in a powerful light, or being of light, which communicates telepathically with the person. An intense feeling of unconditional love and acceptance. Encountering beings of light, beings dressed in white, or similar. Also, the possibility of being reunited with deceased loved ones. Receiving a life review, commonly referred to as seeing one's life flash before one's eyes. Approaching a border or a decision by oneself or others to return to one's body, often accompanied by a reluctance to return. They see new and indescribable colors. Suddenly finding oneself back inside one's body. Scientists have divided the stages of this incident as follows. First, peace. Second, body separation. Third, entering darkness. Fourth, seeing the light. Fifth, entering another realm of existence, through the light. You may ask yourself why people who were bad humans saw God's grace and kindness. The first answer is that God knows the future and knows that this sinful person will return to his body and repent and become a good person, because God knows that his real death had not yet come. And the second answer is that we understood that God is very kind. And the third answer is that God's love for man is an unconditional love and acceptance.